You might want to select a strategy for either picking or moving to a production order. Let me give you some example of that. So normally, if you use Simple Warehouse, you could create an inventory pick, or you could create an inventory movement to move the items into the production area. If you create the inventory pick, you will actually post consumption when posting the pick, whereas if you create an inventory movement, you will move the item into a bin near the production area. This could also be done in different ways on the other location setup than this simple one. And the point could be different things. First of all, if you don't want to post the consumption in the simple scenario using the inventory pick, but you would like to use an actual production journal for posting the consumption, you might want to create a move. The other thing could be that in real life, you might want to move more than what actually was on the production order. So you might want to move a full pallet or stuff like that into the production area. And then you can create movements more manually to move closer to the production order and then make the production people post the actual consumption from those bin, and then you can move back again. So therefore you need to consider what is your strategy. Would you actually post the inventory pick or post the consumption when you pick from the inventory, or would you post when you actually consume on the production order? That's a strategy you need to define. And this is how it's done on the simple location. It could also be done on the advanced location using either a warehouse pick or internal movements and inventory movements. And it could be used on warehouse management location with directed put away and pick with either warehouse pick functionality or the movement worksheet and warehouse movement. On this location setup with the directed put away and pick functionality, it's a little more complex because you need to consume from a bin near to the production order. So you need to change the actual consumption when you do the consumption journal.